Understanding at the climax in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, at the climax. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English storytelling and conversation. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what climax means. The climax is the most exciting, intense, or important point of something, particularly in a story or a series of events. It's like the peak of a mountain in a story, where the tension or action reaches its highest point. Now, let's see how to use at the climax in sentences. This phrase is often used to pinpoint a moment in a narrative. For example, the mystery was solved at the climax of the movie. He arrived at the climax of the debate, causing a stir among the audience. These examples show how the phrase indicates a critical moment in various scenarios. Understanding the cultural context is also crucial. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase is commonly used in discussions about books, movies, and plays. It can also appear in everyday conversation to describe any pivotal or peak moment in real-life events. A common mistake learners make is using at the climax inappropriately, like in mundane situations. Remember, it's used for moments of high drama or importance. Misusing it can lead to confusion or unintended humor. I hope this video helps you understand and use at the climax correctly in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master is a step forward. Keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun with it. See you in our next video.